The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Friday and our gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 16 verses 1 to 8. In the gospel, the Lord gave the parable of a dishonest servant when he was about to be dismissed for his dishonesty. But in the end, he was praised. Isn't it that's quite amusing? Why the dishonest will be praised? The dishonest servant was praised not because of his dishonesty, but because of his being clever, of his being creative, and his having a foresight. And more often, evildoers are more clever, more creative, have longer foresight than those who are doing good. And if only we will be miles and miles ahead of the evildoers. And if we do not allow the evildoers to triumph, then maybe there will be less and less and less evil in the world. But the problem is, we who are called good servants, we tend to be so happy with the status quo. We don't want to innovate. We don't want to change. We don't want to shake the status quo. We are not as creative as evildoers. We are not as clever as the evildoers. And we have shorter foresight than the evildoers. So my dear friends, that is the challenge of our gospel. If a teacher should be library ahead than its students, then we, good doers, should be miles and miles ahead than the evildoers in terms of creativity, being clever, and having a farther foresight. God bless you and have a wonderful day.